Yeah, what's up, guy? Good morning, boy. This is what kind of general find the bias in water. This is how to find your bias. This is how to find your bias on the daily time frame. We start on the daily. Yeah. This 2023 open price accumulation. Yeah, that gap is your 2023 open. We have been on a down move since. We have been on a down move from year to year. Because there is a fair value gap here, I think so there should be a fair value gap here. Okay, I'm on low with a fair value gap, sensor liquidity with this other block. So that was why I said this was this was a clear projection, which we had also in a buy side, which was a volume imbalance. So after this displacement high here, I had this fair value gap here, this fair value gap with other block. That fair value gap, there is a fair value gap here, which I called in the previous bias, which I called in the previous bias. When price got to the fair value gap here, this fair value gap within here. When price got here, I was like, oh, maybe this is a breaker block here, this block here, maybe price will get back down. But unfortunately, I was also watching this other block here. This other block, I was watching this other block. So when price got to this fair value gap and I had some consolidation, I came back to this imbalance. Once we came back to this imbalance, I told myself maybe we'll see some shoot up to this other block. So we have gotten to the main threshold of the other block. Since we have gotten to the main threshold, there is another reaction here. This reaction here, but price have passed the fair value gap, which if you notice this reaction here, you will see that price is in OTE. Price is in OTE. When you put your fib from here, the total range first before checking the OTE, the total range, you see that price have passed the 50% and price is in this stance. So if we are gonna and the 50% of this other block, if we see the reaction on Sunday open price, we see the reaction Sunday open price and see how whether price can gravitate to this fair value gap and feel it. Because if you watch here, this let's say okay, this a purge, SSI purge. After SSI purge, we have this breaker block and consequential encroachment, which is the 50% of this week. If you take the consequential encroachment, really the 50% of the week, we need price to touch back here. We need price to touch back here to come back to this other block plus this volume imbalance here, this small volume imbalance here, this more volume imbalance. So we need price to touch it before doing any other thing. So that's just it. If you are gonna go buy more buys, that's just it. But I'm watching that it's very well here, very well. I'm watching at it here. If at least if I see some reaction, there is no fair value gap within here, which I will say okay. Okay, ICT say after accumulation, when we break away from the accumulation, come back to 50%, the 50% you get to be buying. So there is no fair value gap within here that I will say okay, this other block when price touches it, it's just this volume balance. Maybe that's what they came to feel. This was Friday, this was Thursday. Maybe if they feel it, we'll see how they will react to that price range. Is either we go to this buy side liquidity here, this relative buy side liquidity here. Is either we go here or we go to this imbalance and get back above here. Get back above here. So that's just it. But looking at it here, this is where I only scrap, I only take sharp trade here because it have reached the 50% of the other block, which is the main threshold of the other block. Because question encroachment. So that we drop down or react to this other block. Yeah, this other block here, move up. So that's what I'm looking at the charts. These are the dollar index. So if the dollar index is gonna sell, that means he is gonna buy. So if the dollar index is gonna buy, he is gonna sell. So let's check. Let's check. Let's check. So we have the EU here, we have the buy side, we called on EU here. Oh, sorry, we have the sell side we called on EU here. It was missed. The this thing was missed just by just with some pips. I don't like this week up here, but the whole favor league up have been fade. If you take the 50% of the week or of that water block, that's the consequential recruitment. I think I'm just can see price touched it. One price touched it, reacted and dipped into this. I felt like okay, the open price of this thing will be the open price of this block here will be for sell side, so as it will just react and go up. As it, if you can see at the 50 is a big figure, 1.0600 is a big figure. So I felt okay, maybe price will get there. When price gets there, will pump up. But I didn't see this reaction within this room, but that's not much. How I got the buy was if you watch, we have been predominantly bullish since late December 2022. We have a breaking market structure. Price did come back. No price came back to mitigate this fair value gap. So since there was no price to mitigate this fair value gap, price went up till the volume imbalance which was around the where is the volume imbalance? The volume imbalance. There was a volume imbalance which I mentioned. I don't think price reached that much. Okay, yeah. The volume imbalance here, which I called this little volume imbalance here, which I called it was also missed. So missing here is not a big deal for me, like to say okay, missing here is just normal thing. Understand? Missing here is just cool. So targeting the first favor, the first buy side liquidity here. We target the first buy side liquidity here. These are fair value gap here. You can say okay, here is another fair value gap. Price should deliver to that fair value gap. And watching that here, you can see that this is a buy side liquidity. Maybe we go up here. This will act as a breaker block inside the fair value gap. This will act as a breaker block inside the fair value gap, and we short again to another discount before going up again. So these are to find the buyers. We find from fair value gap to fair value gap, imbalance to imbalance, liquidity to liquidity. You can see after smashing this, we went up. So looking at this, I'm just looking to go buy. Let's just check to the favor the lower time frame. Watching the lower time frame, I'm not seeing much displacement to the upside. I will say okay, buy side smashed. After a buy side smashed, we start selling massively. That's just it. We start selling massively. Like here, after this smash here, after this buy side was taken, there was a smash. After we started dropping massively. So I'm thinking maybe ending. Let me check the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. I've not seen a reasonable price displacement. I would have like this is the 4 hour. This is how to find the buyers. For those who say buyers. If I can see this after taking this here and we take above here, it will be something for me to look for long. If you can break above here, it's still for me to look for this buy side liquidity here. After this buy side, it will be easy for me to look for this breaker block here and target to complete the fair value gap within 1.0900, which is big figure. So that's just because if you watch this buy side liquidity here, this buy side liquidity is close to 1.0800, 1.0, okay, 8,000. But if you check the consequential encouragement, you will still see that it's first within the big figure. So I'm watching here. If you can break above here, with displacement, On the Sunday open calendar, we know that yes, we'll target here to feed the favorite get target here before finding another price move. Peace out guys, have a nice day. Let's check the good, the almighty good. Let's check the good, looking at good. I'm telling you, God is going to break here. God is going to break here. Gold must surely break here. Gold I know will not react yes and start selling. Gold I know. Why? When we go here, these are if you watch here, this is like a paint. When you're painting, price have sold here, bought again, sold again. We need price again to go buy here for us to say okay, this price have been delivered, price have been delivered. But watch the daily time frame. The fair value gap of gold have been filled. This is another thing. The fair value gap have been filled. The fair value gap here. Actually, I was thinking gold is going to be bearish, close on bearish. As mean gold closed on bearish on Friday, I would have said going on my head. We targeted this sell side here, or this sell side liquidity here. I targeted, but I didn't see that price action. I didn't see it, and I'm still checking and. My bias on gold is still inconclusive, but I'm telling you, we are going to smash this buy side liquidity here, and get to this other block. Valid entry here, we can be looking for some sell position. No valid entry, we'll be looking for this buy side liquidity, and to complete to feed this fair value gap, or to still remain at the breaker block. So that's just it. Peace out, guys. Have a nice day.